Have you ever dreamed of working from the beach? Picture this, earning money while you sip a cocktail. This idea bombards TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram daily. Young influencers flaunt flashy cars and extravagant lifestyles. They promise you can achieve the same success, all through dropshipping. But what if I told you that behind these glamorous facades lies a complicated scam? A billion-dollar illusion designed to enrich the gurus, not you. Dropshipping itself isn't a scam. It's a legitimate business model. You sell products you don't stock. Your supplier ships directly to the customer. Simple, right? But here's the harsh truth. 98% of newcomers lose money. So why do countless courses and advertising claim otherwise? Because the real business lies in selling you the dream, not the dropshipping success. Imagine scrolling through TikTok. You see a caption, "I made 75K in 30 days." You're captivated. The person resembles you. Young, frustrated with a traditional job, speaking your language. They show a screenshot of their Shopify dashboard with impressive sales. But what they neglect to reveal is critical. They spent $71,000 on Facebook ads. They also faced $3,000 in refunds. These details don't sell courses, so they're conveniently ignored. Here's the process. Once someone gains traction, they invite viewers to a free webinar. This free event is a sales pitch. After 1 hour, you're faced with a limited time offer for their pricey course. Typically priced at hundreds to thousands of dollars, they entice you with bonuses, templates, and winning products. It sounds like the shortcut you crave. Yet most of these gurus rarely profit from drop shipping. Their income primarily comes from you, the course buyer. After you pay, you're caught in a trap. You're told to find a niche. You spend hours scrolling TikTok looking for products. You try creating a Shopify store. You write product descriptions using AI. You set up social media pages and launch ads. Your first ad campaign fails. No sales. They urge you to trust the process. On your second attempt, you gain 1 sale, but it costs you $80 in ad spend. You've already lost on hundreds, yet they remind you that this is just a learning curve. Meanwhile, these gurus produce new videos daily. If you achieve any success, they'll screenshot your story to attract new users. They morph into influencers, podcasters, and authors. They brand themselves as educators. It's an ingenious hustle, but let's label it correctly: a repackaged pyramid scheme. The bottom feeds the top. You sacrifice your time and money. They gain fame, followers, and wealth. Some influencers go even further. They create fake testimonials or rent luxury items for their content. They showcase screenshots from other people's stores to appear credible. In the dropshipping world, optics matter most. Online, there's no regulation, no refunds or customer service to assist you. If you voice complaints, you might be told you didn't try hard enough. Or worse, you could be blocked altogether. Reddit forums overflow with cautionary tales. People waste their savings, families experience financial strain, all due to an unrealistic promise that turned out to be false. Yet every day, a new dropshipping guru emerges. Same script, different face. The location may vary, but the sales pitch remains constant. And what about the few who genuinely succeed in dropshipping? They skip the courses. They endure months, learning through trial and error. They see dropshipping as a business, not a quick fix. The painful irony is that those who truly understand dropshipping are too busy running their businesses. The ones selling courses often shift to the next trending scheme: affiliate marketing, NFTs, or crypto. They chase not because they believe, but because they know you will. Next time a person stands in front of a luxury car, boasting about their secrets to success, ask yourself, if they really had the secret, why share it for $997. Real success isn't loud. It doesn't need rented mansions or sensational ads. True business is quiet, slow, and usually unglamorous. If someone offers you freedom for a small investment, run. The only person making money is the one selling you that dream. Seek real freedom. Build something substantial. Learn genuine skills. Start small, grow gradually, and disregard the noise. In the end, the only winning product is the one you create yourself.